Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are trying out Color Oops extra conditioning on green hair. I have tried the red box of Color Oops on pink hair and it had some pretty decent results. So I'm going to try the extra conditioning on my green hair to see how much of this dye that we can get out before I transition to like a lavender and gray situation. The difference between the extra strength and the extra conditioning is the extra conditioning I think has aloe and soy protein in it compared to the extra strength, which doesn't have anything. If you are interested in like just the OG red box, you can go check out that video. I'll link it down below or up top. I don't know. Also, yes, before somebody comments, and I know you probably will before you even watch this, it says right here, Color Oops does not work on direct dyes. Color Oops is not formulated for and will not perform on direct color dyes such as bright pinks, blues, greens, lavenders, purples, etc. I understand that. It's always an experiment when you're doing at home hair care and hair like dyes and things like that. I also, excuse me, getting over a cold. I also have watched AKA Aslyn, and she has used Color Oops on all kinds of crazy fantasy direct dyes, and she's had some decent success. In the event that this doesn't work, I can just do like a bleach bath, or I can just bleach it. But in the event that it does work, I have avoided bleaching my head. So yeah. I'm gonna kind of block my hair into halves and then those halves into halves. I have two boxes this time versus last time where I only had one. Definitely, if you have thick hair, long hair, medium hair, get two boxes because you'll need it. One box is definitely not enough because this is what you get in the box. This is the product. This is all the product you get. So it's only like 60 milliliters. Like this is 2 fluid ounces and this is 60 milliliters. So like you're only getting that amount of product, which is good for like half of my head. You get disposable gloves, and they also give you like a processing cap, which is really, really nice. I think I'm just gonna use my own processing cap, but it's nice that they provide them. You also get instructions, and so here we go. All right, so it always tells you to cut the tip afterwards, but to cut down on explosions, I always cut my tip before and just put my finger over it. What you're going to do is take bottle 1 and mix it into bottle 2. And then shake it for a good 30 seconds. If you haven't already, clip the top of the nozzle and away you go. And then it basically just says apply liberally to areas of hair that need hair removal or correction. Move quickly through the application process as the activity of the mixture decreases with elapsed time. So yeah, we're just going to see what we can do here. I've already bleached my hair because a video from Guy Tang a long time ago, like a long time ago, said he had like this paranormal activity video, and it was basically like when he tried to do it, the bleach, the peroxide from the bleach like reactivated the color remover or the color molecules, and so now I just do my bleaching before I remove my color. Now he obviously wasn't using Color Oops, he was using some like salon brand. That's probably a lot better for your hair, but you know, such is life. I'm doing my best also to brush it through my hair so that every little strand is saturated, because that was a big mistake last time, was that, like, especially in the back, I didn't get enough saturation on the hair. Ah, it's getting everywhere. This is also a very liquid formula. I wish it was like a little bit creamy so it would like stick where you squirt it. Unfortunately, that's not the case. Also, look, I missed like a huge piece of brown when I bleached. Well, there's that. Oh well. Also, however this turns out will determine how I dye my hair. I haven't quite figured out exactly how I want to do that yet. So right off the bat, the extra conditioning smells like 100% better than the extra strength one. That's a big complaint about Color Oops, is that it stinks. So do it in a well ventilated area. This is also an ammonia-free and a bleach-free color remover. They do have a bleach color remover, which, if you ask me, is just bleach. Oh my gosh, it gets everywhere. And just really make sure you are like rubbing it into the hair and making sure everything's saturated and it's really getting in there. Okay, I still have a lot, so I'm going to do the other side of my head and then we'll be back when this application process is over. I did have to use both bottles. I still have some left in here, but like my hair is fully saturated. I didn't have enough for this last quadrant, so that's when I opened up the second bottle, and then I just went back and just like went crazy and resaturated my whole head and rubbed it in. I'm going to put a shower cap on it just to kind of like encapsulate that heat from my head. And then I'm also going to sit under my hood dryer for at least 20 minutes. That's what the directions say. It says place cap on hair, done. Process for up to 20 minutes. That's what I'm gonna do, sit under my hood dryer. Check hair's progress frequently. While processing, be certain that the room is not cold, and be certain that you are not sitting near a vent blowing cool air, hence hood dryer. Do not process for longer than 20 minutes. And then it says rinse with warm water and shampoo, then rinse for 15 to 20 minutes. Yes, 20 minutes. Shampoo again and rinse for another 5 minutes. Repeat 2 more times. Additional rinsing is needed for longer, thicker hair. This step is very important for desired results, as the more you rinse, the better your results. Apply conditioner. That's because the technology of like a color remover or Color Oops is that it shrinks the hair molecule and then it like washes it away. So we are going to try that. I am covered in Color Oops, which I guess is fine and well and dandy. So yeah, we will be back in about 20 minutes. All right, here we are after 20 minutes of processing underneath my hood dryer, as well as shampooing 3 times, rinsing out for at least 15 to 20 minutes, and it did a very, very good job. We are still, however, very green, especially underneath. There's like this banding. I think that's because like the heat couldn't get to it very well. Again, sorry, cold. But the heat was able to get to like my ends really, really well. So we have this like very bright middle spot. I don't even know what the back looks like, to be honest. Oh, okay, good. The back looks pretty good. Again, that middle banding part. But yeah, it got like a lot of the green out, which is really nice. It got a lot of the green out, which is great. However, it didn't get enough of the green out for what I want to do next. I'm not sure. I think I'm going to live with it for a day or two. I think I'm also going to shampoo it for like the next 2 days. Like I'm going to take a hair washing shower the next couple days because in my experience using the Color Oops last time, the red box one, I found that a lot more of the color washed out in the like days after. Like when I took a shower the day after, a lot more of the actual color from the Color Oops washed out. So I think I might wash my hair for the next 1 or 2 days, see if it lightens up any more, and then determine what I'm going to do. because the colors I want to go to are purple and gray, and I can't put purple over green, especially a pastel purple. It's not gonna work. So anyways, yeah, the Color Oops did work very, very well on my green hair. Did it work perfectly? No. Do any color removers work perfectly? No. But I would say these are pretty stunning results. Like if I were transitioning to like a deep red, I would put that over this in a second. Same with orange. But I'm not. I'm going to purple, and I can't put purple over this. It's not gonna work. So yeah, also the extra conditioning, this yellow one, smelled so much better than the red box. It still smells funny, but it doesn't smell as strong. So I will link this down in the description box below. If this video helped you, or you found it useful or entertaining or whatever, please give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the little notification bell and hype the video and do all the things. I don't know what we're doing anymore. Anyways, if you could just do all the things, that would be great. So yeah, I will see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.